this is my
Medyo
first
tagilid.
time to attend and personally witness a proceeding before the ICC. And even before that, so far as the case of the former president, may alam tayo na about that. At hindi talaga mawawala. Unique in this case is the political character in this case. Tanggalin mo yung political dimension, we're very confident that the former president would win his day in court. But with the political dimension, starting with the forced surrender, if I may say, a kidnapping of the president from the Philippines, it's already political in character. So ano pa yung maaasahan natin dito? Insofar as that aspect is concerned, not the judicial process. Kasi judicial process, it talks about facts that you need to present and prove on the basis of the facts that would be qualified as evidence, on the basis of the standard by which these charges are being set against the person. And I'd like to say this again. Why is it political? And this is just my personal view. There is a policy of government all across administration na pag may isang Pilipino sa labas ng bansa na inaresto, dinitine, even tried in court, and even convicted, the policy of government across administration from Cory Aquino all the way up to BBM is to exert all available resources of government to bring that Filipino home. You could recall Sara Balabagan and I don't know, I think that was during the time of Ramos. And to the credit of BBM, si Sara Jane Veloso, Mary Jane Veloso, who was already serving sentence in an Indonesian prison. Yun ang nakapagtataka. Bakit hindi magawa-gawa dito yan sa isang matanda at masakitin, frail as he is now? Man nating sabihin former president, itrato na lang natin siya bilang isang Pilipino. Bakit hindi magawa-gawa ng administrasyong Marcos ito? And that is proof na may political character itong prosesong ito.
Yes, and gusto niyo rin po bang mag-react doon sa revelation ni Senator Amy Marcos na may mga pera daw po na meron din na i-turn over sa ICC?
Yes, allegedly $2 million.
I'd rather see it before making any comment.
Any comment? Okay, sir.
Attorney Sal.